How do I build affiliate marketing funnels that convert? Welcome to our guide on building affiliate marketing funnels that truly convert. An affiliate funnel is a strategic path that turns curious visitors into loyal customers. It begins with a traffic source, leading to a landing page, followed by a thank you or bridge page, an affiliate offer, and finally, a follow-up email series. Each step is crucial in guiding users toward action. Avoid these funnel killers. Sending cold traffic directly to your affiliate link. Offering a generic lead magnet that doesn't match the product. Not following up with your leads. Overcomplicating the process. Keep it simple, targeted, and aligned with your niche. If you want a shortcut to setting up your affiliate funnel, try Marie Grove's method to create your entire side hustle plan in under 10 minutes. Click the link in the description below this video. Free to use, no opt-in, beginner friendly. Click link below.